I think that's probably been our best performance for a while as a collective team. I think it was great, the Romania friendlies that we had were perfect preparation for us to go into the Turkey game. I think it set us up really nice now for our qualifying campaign, but at the same time as that, we just need to build on that now and not get too carried away.
That was really important game as such. We needed to have a good start in the campaign this year. It was the first game this year, and after a while when you haven't played the qualification games, you really don't know what to expect, and the performance was good and it was a good foundation, but that game is gone now, and every focus needs to be there now on the game tomorrow.
Ukraine are going to be a different game to Turkey, and we've seen some footage, and they're a good side. They're not second seed for no reason, so it's important for us to realise that it's not going to be Turkey. We have to work hard and continue to focus on what we're good at and what we're about. But we've got every chance to keep building in this campaign against Ukraine, and hopefully we can put in a great performance and get 3 points.
We've had a good start for the campaign, four games and 3 wins, and it certainly tells that we have been improving, we have been working hard, and we've been able to get good performances. They played in the final tournaments and are going to be a big test for us, but we are looking forward to that.